August WASDE report. This report comes out every month, but the report that comes out in August is especially important and is one that we want to pay attention to because this is the first report of the year that, instead of using survey data, actually get field level crop production data to report on. We'll receive hard numbers on planted acres for all of our key crops and expected yields. And the reason that that's so important is because planted acres and yield are the explanatory factor of what our crop production per crop is in the United States, let alone all the demand components. All those different factors all get incorporated into the WASDE report. Economics 101, supply and demand are what drive price. So as soon as that report comes out, you're going to see some significant moves in the market. That report releases on Wednesday, August 12th at 11 a.m. Central Time. If we're utilizing risk management strategies, then we can best position ourselves. And if we know what those opportunities are, like this major one coming up, then we can take advantage of it to mitigate risk down the road. The key to all of it is knowing what your break-even points are. That's going to go a long way in determining marketing decisions. There are also opportunities for corroboration of those reports with other sources. And specifically, one that's gotten traction over the course of the past 15 or 20 years is the Pro Farmer Crop Tour, a privately managed crop production estimation event where professional crop scouts go throughout numerous states in the Midwest calculating production estimates for corn and soybeans. That event is also a major market mover. And sometimes the results from that crop tour closely align with USDA's WASDE report, but sometimes they're a little bit off, and sometimes that can create tension in the markets. But the closer that we can get to an alignment through that corroboration, the better sense that we can get of the accuracy of the reports that are coming out. As the markets move, so we also need to be thinking about what our commodity risk management strategies are. There will be live streams of the results of the tour available on agweb.com/crop tour for anyone who wants to tune in 7:55 p.m. And speaking of risk management, August 20th and 21st are also going to be the time for K-State's Department of Agricultural Economics premier event of the year, Risk and Profit Conference. This two-day event is going to be jam-packed from Thursday at 9:30 in the morning and on Friday, 28 total breakout topics distributed over 8 sessions with 3 keynote speakers, including Kansas's very own Greg Dowd, who grew up just down the road from us in Mankato. Not only is this event going to provide some indispensable information and an opportunity to network with farmers and agribusinessmen from around the state, but it's also going to help us make sense of all the information that's been coming out in the month of August